Hello viewers, today in this video tutorial I will show you how you can use your mobile phone internet into your computer or desktop or in the laptop. Watch the full video without skipping, you will know how to do that. You can see that my computer has no internet connection. So now I will connect my mobile internet to this laptop, or you can do this in your desktop also. So here you can see there is a USB cable. I have connected USB cable here. Now I will connect the so first you have to connect your USB cable into the computer and then connect your micro USB cable to your mobile phone, and then you have to go to the settings and then you have to go into your network and internet, and then you have to click on hotspot and tethering, and you can see there is a written USB tethering. You just need to click on it and make it on. And now as you can see my internet connection is okay. So let's run a page if it is working or not. So let's do this up page, and now you can see my internet is running. So now I'm using my mobile internet to the computer. So you can use both Wi-Fi and the mobile data. So whatever internet you are connecting with your mobile will come to your desktop or laptop. So viewers, if you have any question, please comment below, and if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching the video.